What's good, everybody? It's H back with another 12 Hub TV video, and we're gonna do another fitted hat run. But I'm gonna feature a different place to buy the fitted hats this time. Let's go. Fitted hats always been a thing. I grew up in the 90s. Fitted hats were the #1 thing you could have on your dome when you're walking down the streets. And then around the 2010s, I think, snapbacks became a thing. Actually, no, it was after like 2005. Before that, I mean, 2005, 6, 7. That's when trucker hats were a thing. Like, I remember it started with Von Dutch trucker hats, and then people just buying obscure ones. This is like 2003, 2004, actually. I remember being out in LA and trucker hats were a thing. And then hip-hop started gravitating to it, and we started seeing brothers like Joel Santana wearing trucker hats, and all them cats out there, you know, starting to wear tighter jeans and all that. And then obviously Pharrell, and then between that era and then the next era would be Jay-Z wearing snapbacks that look like fit. Like, this is a snapback that looks like a fitted.
Slow cut back, snapback, see my cut through the holes.
Or a strap or whatever. And then the dad cap thing became a thing for a little bit a couple of years ago. I still rock the dad caps. You see them in multiple amounts of my videos. Polo ones mostly. And then back to fitteds, because fitteds is just where I come from, man. And I think the last time I actually bought fitteds was like 2011. So 2011, 2012, I used to have a Lids Hat World membership. Then they kind of merged together, and I stopped buying fitteds for a while. But yeah, these guys, Sneak This Podcast, got me on that new wave. I checked out the Hat Club website and saw a whole plethora of fitted hats that really drew me in. So I bought a few, and then I've been buying consistently. Every couple of weeks I'll go online and buy some. I started in September, and now we're here. And I have pre-ordered some that are supposed to be arriving in January, and I'll definitely, you know, post those on my Instagram. You know, so follow me there and check those out. But these are the ones I just bought most recently, and I'm just gonna go kind of through all the different types of hats that they sell. So they sell all sports teams, mainly baseball. They do special drops. So the recent one they did, I think, was called a Pink Lemonade, and they've done one called Watermelon that was kind of dope. Green Eggs and Ham drop. Those are fly ass hats. So, you know, they do a whole bunch of different drops of MLB, NFL, NBA. And then, of course, minor league teams. Like, this one is for a team called the Harrisburg Senators. Minor league team out in Harrisburg. And then I got Stockton Port Gus hat. I don't know who Gus is, but that's him, I guess. And it has like the minor league patch on the back. That official New Eras. All these fitteds are New Eras. They also sell snapbacks and stuff. I removed it, so it's right here. So it's all official. You can see the emblem right there. Official minor league baseball cap. And then the throwbacks of the OGs. Oakland A's, my favorite team. They did World Championship hats, and then they also just did special runs of throwbacks. This is the original elephant joint. Man, I love the Oakland A's. I always wanted the elephant A's hat. Finally got one. Got the straight up green and the yellow. And then, of course, me being a New Yorker, got my New York Mets hat. 86 World Series hat. This one commemorating that. Nice yellow color, like the yellowish colorway. And with the pink here. So I believe this is one of their Pink Lemonade hats. And this one is fire. You know, wear this in the summertime with my pink polo, button up, open with some LeBron icon, John Elliott pink shoes on. Man, freaking yellow shirt too, man. I'll rock a yellow shirt. This joint, I don't even know what the hell this is. Let me see. It's got a wolf on it. Let me get another gander. This joint is a Pasito Coyotes. I guess this is not. I don't know what the hell, but yo, this is fire. It's got a dog on it. Got a dog with the green. This is straight like camo cargos, straight up like just fire, man, fire. And they do all fitteds, all sizes. Prices range from around $35 to $45, which is very reasonable, because if you go to Lids or Hat World, yeah, they give you a discount and stuff like that, but you're getting basic hats usually, and they range in that pricing too, anywhere from $38 to $42. So those price ranges are crazy, but you get a lot more variety, uniqueness with these guys, and a lot of exclusivity. And then they have accessories. Accessory batch. Oh! Remember I told you I'm serious about my hats right now. Hat Club hooked me up. This holds, this is one. I got 2 of these. There's another one full of fits. So there's some snapbacks and fitteds. There's my custom H hat right there. Look at you. There's an H. I used to get my name embroidered on all my hats. But yeah, there's a couple of Mets joints in here. All those Stalin Dean hats that I bought for that one video. Mets right in the front, Yankee caps, all types of stuff in there, and some snapbacks and what have you. Look, Hat Club is a dope product, dope company. They're based in, I believe, Mesa, Arizona. I'm gonna leave a link down below for y'all to check them out, but they're fire, man, and I really, really appreciate the service. Literally less than 5 days for me to get these hats in the mail, and always come fitted up and right. And they do, with the exclusive hats, they give you a pin. So let's see if I get that in focus. They give you a hat club pin that tells you that it's exclusive to Hat Club, which is fire. I appreciate that, and it's those little touches that make, you know, buying from a company like that worthwhile. So shout out to Hat Club, shout out to Sneak This Podcast. Y'all have been influencing a lot of my buying decisions lately, and we're gonna do on my other channel, social influencers and how they influence others. But it's real, you know. I've just started this, and I noticed from people's comments and all that stuff that, yeah, I do kind of influence people. But at the end of the day, like, I don't consider myself an influencer at all. I just like what I like, and yes, I always stay fresh, so that's the way I like to be, and I'm gonna stay that way no matter what. So if you like it, like and subscribe. If you don't, then hate on me in the comments, whatever. I'm an older guy, so it don't matter to me what y'all think. But at the end of the day, we make personal choices when it comes to fashion, when it comes to politics, when it comes to a lot of things. So I have things to say, and that's why I started YouTube, because I wanted to say those things. Keep the fashion, sneakers, and all that stuff here. On my other channel, I do the other stuff. So that's where it's going to be. So yeah, like and subscribe if you dug this video, if you learned a little something. Wanted to keep it kind of short, because like I said, Hat Club is something new that I just got into. So I just want to give them a big shout. But yeah, let me know what you think about these hats. And there's a lot more on the other side. They're all fitted. So they do sell some snapbacks and all that other stuff, but mainly fitted. So yeah, tell me what you think, and like and subscribe. I'll check you on the next one. Peace.